Packet tracer is used by students, educators, and network professionals to practice and learn more about computer networks and how they work. It helps you build virtual networks, connect devices like computers and routers, and see how data travels between them. It's like a fun and safe playground to experiment with networking concepts, so you can gain valuable skills and confidence in managing real-world networks. So in this video, we will learn how to install Cisco Packet Tracer on Ubuntu. At first, open a browser and browse to the official website of netakit.com. Before downloading, you must log in. If you already have an account, provide your email, and if not, then click on Sign Up. As I already have an account, I am providing my email address. And now the password. So this is my account. Now clicking on resources, here you can see download Packet Tracer. Click on this. Scroll down and in the download section you can see 3 versions: Windows version, Ubuntu version and Mac OS version. As we are here to download for Ubuntu, click on 64-bit download and the download process will be started. Since this is a very large file, I have already downloaded it. And you can see the downloaded zipped file is in Downloads folder. So now let's proceed to the installation process. Open a terminal and move into the download folder. Type cd space downloads to move into the Downloads folder. Type ls to see the list of content. Here you can see the Cisco Packet Tracer Debian file. Type sudo space apt space install space -f and hit enter to install all the dependencies. Provide your password. Dependencies are installed. Now to install Packet Tracer, type sudo dpkg space -i space the file name and hit enter. Hit enter to agree with the statements. Yes. The Packet Tracer is unpacking. Please have patience. Here there are some dependency error. So rewrite the previous comment. Type Y. So all the dependency errors are now solved. Now type the installation command again and hit enter. Again agree with the statements. Hit enter. Please have patience. So the installation process is done. Now to start, type packet and then press on tab. And here the Packet Tracer is starting. Press no. So Packet Tracer is ready. Now choose why are you here and enjoy using Packet Tracer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.